To demonstrate the precision that can be achieved using incompressible fluids, I'm going to apply a repetitive force, and I'm going to have a maximum error that's going to be less than half the weight of a dollar bill. Now, even with the fact that this was hot glued to the floor, I didn't bleed the line, so there was air going in and out of it, and I was just quickly maneuvering this with my hand. You can see that I was still able to get in a ridiculous level of precision. Now, the reason why this is relevant is because every part is going to be different. If you have 1,000 motors pop off a line, they're going to have to be programmed uniquely. They'll each need their own unique PID tuning, and that's the same for even our transistors or thermistors. That's to say, if you have thousands of thermistors, thousands of transistors, they will all require unique programming for the individual differences. This can be done away with by using incompressible fluids. Using the property of fluids that we understand to exist as consistent will allow us to get away with a little bit of imprecision. That's to allow us to even connect certain tenants to pistons and basically restrain certain movements and allow for others. So now you're going to see me apply a force. You're going to see me exceed the force that I was generating before, so that way you can see that I wasn't just capping it out somewhere. You'll also see how fluid the motion is between what I apply and what actually comes out, even though the force is changing. Alright, we're going to close up this video just by showing you the equipment and letting you verify for yourself. And then the next video we're going to get into the fingerprint hypothesis. And why I believe our fingerprint is actually there to apply a mechanical resolution, or that is to say a changing in area in a step input that can be applied to an internal force that gives us a relative measurement between our fingers and how that can be applied to the grasping of objects with a higher level of precision.